I was genuinely excited, practically buzzing, to get my hands on the new iPadOS 26. Apple promised us Mac-level multitasking, a dream for anyone who truly wants to push the iPad beyond content consumption. But after a couple of months now, with iPadOS 26, I've got to be brutally honest. They didn't add a new feature. They fundamentally broke what made the iPad great. And in this video, I'm going to lay out exactly why I've come to despise multitasking on the iPad. The old combo of split view plus slide over was the best touch multitasking ever invented. You grabbed one app on the dock, hovered it at the edge, and boom, two apps equal partners. We could easily resize them too. Need a third? Flick from the right, another app slides in, then swipe away. It was fast, spatial, pure muscle memory awesomeness. I could open any app, drag it off the screen, and recall it with a thumbnail swipe while holding a coffee. My mom could do it. My 8-year-old nephew could do it. iPadOS 26 killed all that delightful fluidity and hard-won muscle memory in the name of windowing. Now every app launches in a floating rectangle with a permanent resize knob. It's too close to my plus icon in Apple reminders. Once, maybe twice, I've accidentally resized when all I wanted was to create a new task. I've also brought up the dock trying to resize messages. That never used to happen before. Anyone else experiencing these mishaps? 1-2 apps side by side? You have to tap, long press, then pick tile left, then hunt for a second app. Opening a simple reference PDF while writing in Pages now takes 7 steps, 2 of them long presses. On the old OS, iPadOS 18, it was 2 swift swipes. Multiply that by 100 times a day and you question your life choices. But wait, you say, just use Stage Manager. Nope. Even though Stage Manager is still here, it is still limited to 4 apps per stage. But it has the same core philosophy. Little Mac-like windows bumping into each other. On an external monitor, it almost makes sense, but on the 13-inch iPad screen, it's an absolute nightmare. With iPadOS 26, Apple basically said, you live in Stage Manager or you live with windowed mode. Both options are terrible. I work with tons of apps every day. We're trying to evaluate and review apps, create courses, design efficient workflows, and write up reports for developers. My daily rhythm was a finely tuned machine. Apple Notes, pocket-sized, in slide over for quick rough notes, NoteWise, which is the app we're currently studying, in full screen, and GoodNotes splitting on the right for quick references now and then. But now, Apple Notes launches in a window that inevitably covers everything, forcing me to juggle Z layers like it's 1998. For me, the old way wasn't just convenient, it was mission critical. I don't hate windowing. I hate windowing on a touch tablet. On the Mac, the 3-finger flicking between full screen spaces is muscle memory. The iPad has its own superpower: direct, intuitive touch manipulation. Apple fused those DNA strands and I believe created a hybrid that inherits the worst of both. The result? We get a half-bounced desktop experience pretending it loves your finger. It's like putting a sail on a motorcycle and calling it a yacht. I'll mention the positives so you don't call me a hater. Background tasks finally lets LumaFusion continue exporting videos when I move away from the app. The new menu bar with top-level access to file operations is a chef's kiss. Those are legit wins, and I'm grateful. But correct me if I'm wrong, none of them required deleting split view or slide over. Apple could have decided a simple toggle, classic or pro windowing. Or is the development a lot more complicated than we think? What do I want back? It's simple. Give me slide over exactly as it was. A thin card summoned by the edge swipe, dismissed just as easily. Give me split view with the 3 dots handle so I can swap sides in half a second. I would also kill Stage Manager, but some people like it, and even the windowed apps. Until that happens, I'm carrying 2 devices again. My iPad for the apps that we study, my MacBook for everything else. My backpack is heavier, and my enthusiasm for the iPad as a true productivity machine is dimmed. If this rant sounds familiar, hit the thumbs up and drop your own multitasking nightmare in the comments. Maybe Tim Cook's intern is scrolling. And until next time, fantastic human, stay fantastic.